Welcome to a world of innovation and savings in construction. Today, we're introducing you to a revolutionary product that's changing the game, the AP Solid Blocks Flooring. This isn't just a new product, it's a paradigm shift in the way we build. Imagine cutting your construction costs by a staggering 60%. How? With AP Solid Blocks Flooring, this innovative solution requires less lumber for scaffolding, less sand, less gravel, less cement, and less manpower. But that's not all. AP Solid Blocks Flooring is more than just cost-effective. It's also a lightweight solution, perfect for multi-level flooring. It's not just changing the way we build, it's transforming the way we design. Our product has been recognized nationally and regionally for its ingenuity and effectiveness. AP Solid Blocks Flooring was awarded third place in the Department of Science and Technology National Invention Contests and Exhibits, and claimed first place in the Regional Invention Conference and Exhibit. AP Solid Blocks Flooring is flexible with many uses. Whether you're building a home, an office, or a multi-story building, our product adapts to your needs. What's more, it's quick and easy to install. You don't need a team of experts or weeks of work. With AP Solid Blocks Flooring, you can have a durable, cost-effective floor in no time. Beyond its flexibility and ease of installation, AP Solid Blocks Flooring offers another significant advantage. It de-stresses the columns and beams, extending the lifespan of your building and reducing maintenance costs. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on installing AP Solid Blocks Flooring. This innovative product is cost-effective and simple to install. Let's dive in. Step 1. Preparation. Begin by preparing the columns and beams for installation. Ensure that they are leveled. Also, get the dowels ready for the floor joist. Step 2. Installing the floor joist. Proceed to install the floor joist using a fabricated angle bar that measures 2 inches by 5 millimeters. Weld the dowels to the beams with a center-to-center distance of 88 centimeters. Step 3. Laying out the AP Solid Blocks Flooring. Next, lay out the AP Solid Blocks Flooring onto the floor joist and align them neatly. Note, make sure the deformed bars are laid out side to side for a robust structure. Also, the dowel should rest on top of the floor joist. Step 4. Welding the dowels. Once everything is aligned, weld the dowels together. Step 5. Securing the dowels to the floor joist. After welding the dowels together, weld them to the floor joist. Reinforce the floor joist with 1 2x3 lumber to prevent sagging when the metal is hot. Step 6. Covering and securing the joints. Place a cover under the joints and secure it using a tie wire for easy removal. Pour a concrete water mix for maximum grip of joints. Step 7. Pouring the concrete. Pour your Class A mix onto the blocks and the floor joist. Unlike monolithic floors, you can pour concrete on AP Solid Blocks Flooring one area at a time. Step 8. Apply waterproofing on top of the floor to seal the surface and eliminate leaks. Note, add waterproofing seal if you want to have an exposed roof deck. Step 9. Finishing touches. Finally, add another layer of concrete or install tiles on top of the flooring for a finished look. Congratulations! Your AP Solid Blocks Flooring is installed and ready to use. Enjoy the benefits of this lightweight, cost-effective, and durable flooring solution. AP Solid Blocks Flooring is more than a product. It's a philosophy. It's about making construction more efficient, more affordable, and more sustainable. Join us in this revolution. Embrace the future of construction with AP Solid Blocks Flooring. Thank you for watching. For more information about AP Solid Blocks Flooring, please visit our website or contact us directly. We're here to help you build a better future.